Benta ka sngi ka khat hanyo tarik ujamang aryar posau ki nurse ki bade ki no shakri pajba ha ka benta jong ka Koit ka Khiah hapo ka Southwest Castles District kilayo ban Rakhe la kemen ka Sngi Kyrpang balatip kum ka nurse de dak baburu e ka phang our future our nurses the economic power of care ha ka ni ka sngi kilayo ban thangru i umumati but od i uke kum ka da ka jing Rakhe nangkong ya ka ni ka Sngi Kyrpang jong ki nurse hapo ka Southwest Castles District but pliru e ka perda e ka dur jongka Florence Nightingale kabade ka nurse banengkong haka perthei kabala tresh tom met ban sim ban ai ka jing sumari ki nongpang ki bala mensaw haka thmaba abaar jongka perthei kane ka jing Rakhe ka nurse de ladan matalang naga office jong district health medical officer ni ka DMNHO Mawkyrwat haka bala longkong san do Dr. FR Lartang DMNHO ka kong Victorial Simli kum kasambut kongsan haringkat daga jingan dan lang ki nurse balik Nongtrei ka Koit ka Khiah ha ka ni ka sngi klayo ru ban panlong ye ki jinga kai ba pher kum ka jinga tantalai ya kini chuki thansnyu Yakob mare samjan marble race panpai balun balayo ru ban ais ngubharu ikinong job ha kini ki jinga kai ba pher baya kini ka jinga lang la panlong harowel langdo stadium malangwir Southwest Castles District
Kemudian balai di kong 90 dolar.
This challenge and try to learn how to navigate the new environment. Otherwise, if you don't try to learn with new changes and new environment, you might face problem. So, the term investment in nursing may mean creating more nursing school, both basic and specialized for the government and private sector. It's very good. So if without private healthcare, I think we will not have sufficient nurses in there. In Meghalaya or in other parts of the country maybe. But if the number of nursing colleges are increasing with our plan, the chance is that it may lead to unemployment and lower the wages due to excess number of nurses. The term investment may mean to improve the quality of nursing also by improving the improvement of skills and raise the standard of skills by creating more specialization and upgrade the level of knowledge, which is good and challenging. But we need at the same time to take care of physical and mental well-being and well-being of the healthcare worker, including nurses, so they can balance the professional, the personal, and the family life. So we must remember that, as Komik also said, we must remember that as we are doing our job to serve others and earn our living, we should remember to balance our family and personal life, so we can live our life, and the quality of life will be good. Thank you very much. Best wishes to you all.
Always show your happy face with smile. Your smiling face, your soft words and soft hands bring relief to the patient and gladness to the attendants, and they will respect you. I want to suggest also that apart from the duty as a nurse, you can involve in the extra activities also. But it doesn't mean that the same staff will remain on duty for 24 hours, but it is always in a divided time. So you can do your extra work also. Refresh your mind. You can exchange your duty among yourself. but that it should be done by the knowledge and the permission of the authority. Use your time carefully. Nothing can obstruct you to do if you do it wisely. You use the time wisely. Never leave your duty empty, but finish your duty. I want to share my experiences in my life. I have involved in many extra activities during my service. I was the president of village women organization. I was the secretary of the village water sanitation committee. I was the member of Juvenile Justice Board, Southwest Khiah. I was also the member of Inspection Committee, Southwest.